Hey guys, CNC Car Breaks again with another Panini Gridiron Gear hobby box break for tonight. We went out and got one more box because I like the other boxes that we got already from yesterday, so went back out and grabbed one more. So we'll break that now. Alright. There's a stack, and we get started. Again, we won't say every name in the case, but we'll go through all the hits at least. Base. Game Breaker. Dwayne Bowe. Not numbered, right? Nope. Okay, rookie Such Source third. Darius Hayward Bay. Base. Alright. Fake little insert thing. Alright, so we have Michael Turner, Jonathan Stewart. Again, guys, I don't know why they keep flipping these over. Anthony Allen X, numbered 43 of 250. Rookie Tannen Doss. We have DJ Williams, Joe Flacco, Phillip Rivers, Calvin Johnson Jr., which is just base. Reggie Bush, B. Wells, 3 of 25. Aaron Williams, rookie, platinum. So that's kind of cool. Aaron Williams, platinum, auto, 3 of 25. So that's pretty good right there. So we got rookie Dwayne Harris, Kevin Cole, base. Alright. Oops. Oh, okay. Alright. Matthew Stafford, Asante Samuel, Chris Johnson, Gold X, 9 of 100. Rookie Jabal Shard, base. Alright. There. Yes, we're doing Tony Gonzalez, Alex Smith, Dominican Sue, rookie Derek Locke, Sean McCoy, Mike Austin, base. Okay. Alright. Hasselbeck, Jared Cook, Vincent Jackson Silver X at 250, 107 out of 250. Rookie Jock Sanders, Sanchez, Gates, and base. I don't know where all the hits are at, but we'll see. Steve Smith. I can never pronounce his name, so I'm not going to try. Now, Heinz Ward Steelers. Not numbered. NFL Nation. Rookie Patrick Peterson. Hugh Johnson. Base. Alright. insert dealing. Mike Williams, Ronnie Brown, Peter Thomas, rookie Dante Moak, base, 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 Ryan Matthews, base. Alright. Another one here. Oh no, we got a hit in here, guys. Alright, Vernon Davis, Roddy White, Steven Jackson, Andre Johnson, 28 out of 50. Boom. Oh, nice patch. 3 color. Very nice. It's a prime also, if you guys didn't notice. But number 28 out of 50. Which is really nice. And then for the rest of the cards, Lance Kendricks, base, base, Big Ben, base. Alright. So, let's see what else we get. Patrick Willis, Percy Harvin, Danny Mendola, rookie orientation, Andy Dalton, 197 out of 299. Regular white. I don't know if that's pants or a jersey, but another hit right there. Ryan Whalen, rookie. We got Thomas Jones, Ryan Fitz, Phoenix, and Tom Brady. Alright. Fix this real quick. Alright. Insert thingy. Alright. Garrett Blunt, Mike Bradshaw, Rich Colson, Aldon Smith, rookie. Felix Jones, Lydia Tomlinson, Linda Fletcher, and Tahani Jones. Alright. Hopefully we can get another hit or something out of here. Hopefully. Jared Allen, D'Angelo Williams, Platinum X, Pierre Garcon, which is to 25 as well. 15 out of 25. Not bad. Alright, Luke Stocker, rookie. Bill Charles, Carlos Dansby, Brandon Jacobs, and Devin McCourtney, which is base. Alright. Alright. Get this one open. Boom. Insert deal. Okay. Sidney Rice, Josh Freeman, Larry Fitz, Jaquan Jarrett, rookie. Vincent Jackson, Hines Ward, Chris Johnson, Javad Best. All base. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so this one seems thick at the bottom, so got 4 regular, so let's see. Keep that last thick one to the bottom. Maybe we actually hit, I don't know. I never get these foil packs open. Ron Barber, Joey Holmes, Darrell Scott, rookie X to 250, 71 out of 250. Alright, and rookie Tyler Sash, Tim Tebow, Ray Rice, Peyton Hillis, Michael Vick. Alright, Santana Moss, Kevin Winslow Jr., Silver X of Drew Brees to 250 probably, 144 of 250. Alright. Then we have Deion Lewis, rookie. Deshaun Jackson, Jay Cutler, Arian Foster, Aaron Rodgers. Alright. Drew Brees. Frank Gore. Auto. Lance Kendricks. So we did get another hit. 173 of 299. Lance Kendricks rookie. Pretty cool. Alright. And then you have Aldrick Robinson rookie. Brandon Lloyd, Sean Green, Matt Schaub, Greg Jennings. So we got a couple hits out of this box, so not bad. Again, this has been doing good for us. So we shall see. Adrian Peterson, Mike Williams, Alex Green, rookie orientation to 250 probably, right? Yeah, 108 out of 250. Rookie Scotty McKnight, Tolbert, Lee Evans, base. Alright guys, last pack. Probably a decoy. So we got an second auto out of that. And I'm right. Alright. Marshawn Lynch. Brandon Merriweather. Bradley Widget. Tavon Branch. Nicole Bolden. Peyton Manning. And Tony Romo. Alright, so if we can get this laid out real quick just to show you guys. Let's get the big hits out of here. Alright, bear with me guys. Alright, so Alex Green, which is 250, the Drew Brees, Terrell Scott, Pierre Garcon, Vincent Jackson, Chris Johnson, Anthony Allen, all the X's and stuff like that. And then the Aaron Williams auto, Lance Kendricks auto, rookie orientation Andy Dalton, and the Andre Johnson prime triple color. Alright you guys, so thanks for watching.